let's move on to the third question. My question goes like this. What is the importance of museums? What is the importance of museums? So what can we talk about in this particular or under this particular question? We can talk about any famous museums around. Maybe we can talk about how you had been benefited because of the museums, or how the museums have been used to preserve ancient, artifacts or whatever, just for the future generation to know more about it. Let's move on to the answer. A museum is a link between the past and the present. Museums hold relics of the past in them. For the people of the present to remain in touch with their history and learn from it. So this can be a possible answer. So what is a museum? It is a link between the past and the present. And it also holds relics of the past in them for the people of the present to remain in touch with them and to know more about their history and to learn from them. So this is a possible way of answering this particular question.